G'day guys, welcome back. My name's Pierre. It's This Simple Home Brew, and this is the last tasting from these guys at the back here, the Be Kind Rewind Brew. So if you'd like Be Kind Rewind, stick around. So this beer was kindly sent to me by Lachlan. It's Be Kind Rewind. It's a limited edition beer that was made by Mountain Culture Beer Co. If it's anything like the last two I've done, this is going to be absolutely awesome to taste. It's 7.3% ABV. This is a 500 ml, 500 ml can. And it's double dry hopped, so that's even better. So it's going to be a real good, what do you call it? Craft beer. Straight away. I don't know if I can smell Citra. I can smell, it could be El Dorado, it could be, don't know. Definitely citrus, so it's got to be more of a Citra. I've got my nice clean glass. I shall pour it. Now this has been sitting in my fridge for about, probably a month. So I'll pour a whole lot. It's the only drink I'm going to have today, because I am making a video on wine making at the moment, which is going to be from a new wine company. So if you're interested in wine videos, here's one coming. So I can smell the citrus. I can smell it. I can smell mango. I can smell majorly citrus and lime and everything. Everything is in there. It's very smelly, very nice smelling. So guys, you outdone yourself every time. Your beer. I've been reading a bit about the guys. As you can see how cloudy that is. Wow, very cloudy. Their motto is try and improve their beer every time they make a new one. So this has been around since 20, I think, from a company that's been around since 17. Now I've had something like this before just recently, actually, from these guys. Wow, I'm getting chocolate, a bit of cinnamon almost. That's quite strange, but beautiful. Oh my God, this is good. Mate, guys, wow. You guys, if you're watching this video, are actually my #1 craft brewery. One I will always go to. I will be buying this stuff constantly. I can smell a little bit of watermelon. Being a craft beer, the flavours that jump out at you, the last 3 beers that were sent to me by Lachlan have been just as good as this, if not, this one's better again. I really like IPAs, and I really love these kind of IPAs. Very strong in flavour, very tropical, citrusy, beautiful flavours. I got a little bit of banana taste in that just then. Definitely got the mango and watermelon and all these other things. Really, really good. Too easy to drink. Be careful if you're going on holiday and you're drinking this stuff. It'll knock your socks off. It's absolutely awesome. Well, that's the last of the reviews I'm doing of Mountain Culture Beer Co. Unfortunately, I think I will be ordering some from these guys to try more of them, because they're so nice. And I really like to thank Lachlan for sending these 3 beers to me and give me a chance and opportunity to try something a bit different. And I am so proud to be Australian to drink a beer like this. Thank you guys, absolutely awesome. Also guys, stick around for just another video that Lachlan created on their YouTube channel. Check them out, they're really fun. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
My name's Lachlan and I'll be telling you about our latest re-release, Scenic Route.
Hey, welcome to Mountain Culture. My name's Alistair.
Hi, I'm Annie, and welcome to Mountain Culture.
Hello, I'm Pat.
Hi, I'm DJ, and surprise, surprise, we've got another beer to release this week.
Hey, I'm Pat.
Harriet here.
What's up? This is DJ from Mountain Culture.
Well, name's Boogie. 1/16 of the legal team here at Mountain Culture.
Welcome to Mountain Culture, I am Pat. We like Hawaiian trip hop, and that's a fact. Now let me introduce this new release to you. On underground luau, it's just like juice. At 6.4% alcohol, it's full of Vixie Crip and Centennial, with the silky smooth mouthfeel that you've come to expect, packed with tropical fruits and low bitterness. Now I know the question you're thinking, how is he going to pour it and drink it? Go arms, now let's give it a gander and hope that it's hazier than my time in Canberra, because if it's clear, how the hell will I sell it? Oh, thank goodness I can already smell it. Now let's take a slow.